Hey all, welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate how to handle missing data in a statistical analysis. So that's a very common question, but often you may not learn it in your class because it's not part of the big discussion or a real demonstration. But actually in the real world, it's often a question like how you handle your missing data. So if you don't want to be embarrassed by them, you need to learn how you handle missing data. At least you can say that this is how I made my decisions about missing data. So let's look at this data today, and then we'll see. So let's go to data editor view and see these for these cases. For India, there's nothing. There's just a dot, and for Turkey, Saudi Arabia. So these are basically the missing data. So they have no actual values in here. So and you can also instead of manually looking at that, if you have a large data set, for example, you may run a command to see what variables are missing. For example, there's mdesc command, descriptive, and m is missing. So that command gives you. So you may not have, you need to install the program first. So just help mdesc, and then it will lead to a link, and just install it in your Stata package so that you can utilize this command, mdesc. Okay, and then you see the list of the variables in the first column. The second column, you will see that, okay, for example, top 10 top 10% income. There are like six values that are missing, right, out of 50 observations in total. So that's the missing data, and for all these variables you have, you can see this missing data. So now what can you do about it? So one of the ways of handling missing data is to keep as it is. So if you run a regression for example, then the Stata actually what it does is do the list-wise deletion. So that means if you have a missing observation in one of the variables, Stata will delete that observation from the entire data set when running the regression model, for example. That's one way. Of course, that's list-wise deletion. Many people prefer it. You can see and read the research paper. But there are other methods. There are other methods of handling missing data. So you can remove them yourself. So that's another way. So if you want to remove missing data, for example, so you can do this. That way you may save more observations instead of doing the list-wise deletion, right? So the command is drop if equals dot means missing data. So we're telling Stata to drop if there's missing data, right? So we are not going to do this here. So you can do this if you think that by manually observing or analyzing this, if you think that you can save more observations, but that way instead of list-wise deletion, you can do that. But you can also impute values for this. So what value can you impute realistically, right? So for example, let's say what is the descriptive stats for top 10 Inc., right? So on average the mean value is 45. 45% of the income are held by top 10% people. So these 45s for the missing values, you can impute these values, right, into this missing. So that way this is the imputation of the mean value, but it may not make sense. You can further categorize them by level of countries, like what is the mean value for a developed country, or a underdeveloped country, or a middle income country. For example, if you look at data editor, what's missing is inequality should be high in India. Then I don't know, but it's middle income country, right? Turkey and Saudi Arabia. So you can look at further classification of this country, but for this demonstration I am going to utilize mean value imputation. Okay, so how we do about imputing mean value for the missing observations. So let's do this in Stata. So we'll type a command called replace. And then the name of the variable and equal. So we will copy this and place it here. So replace this value if top 10 ink is missing. No, it should be other way around. Missing top 10 ink. Okay, so that way if you go to data editor now, you see for India it's been imputed like the mean values, right? So now you no longer should have the missing data. Let's see by mdes command, and for top 10 ink there's 0 missing value now. Okay, so you can do for all other variables in your data sets in a similar way. So this is called data imputation, mean value imputation. So you can impute the mean value. For our case, mean value doesn't make much sense because you really need further classification of the country. Some country had really high inequality, income inequality. Some country has. So you have to know the country classification. In general, the high income countries have lower levels of income inequality. So therefore, if you do the country classifications, you can more precisely get the mean for those categories, so that will be more realistic. So that's all for now, but there are also advanced way of data imputation, so that which I will actually discuss in another video. Thanks for watching. If you find this helpful, please subscribe to my channel.